All right, what's up, people? I figured I'd start this in a different place. This is me and my wife's bedroom. It's our bed. This is what I got her for her last birthday. Yeah. Bedroom, closet, my closet. I got her this I think it was last Mother's Day. And this one, that was last Valentine's Day. I know, right? My daughter's room, she keeps the door closed for a reason. My son's room, he's as messy as I am. You know what I'm saying? That's his new thing. He got that for Christmas. Yeah, he's into that shit. He's also into this guy. You know what I'm saying? He likes these little tech boards too. The fuck? I'm tripping over. He likes his little tech board things. Oh, he finally cracked this. Interesting. Man, these things are fun. I remember when we bought this. We bought that at a Barnes & Noble bookstore. Then we went out to not Longhorn, the Yard House after. That was a fun day. All right. Coming downstairs. Front door, obviously. Bag of salt. Not so obvious yet. Kitchen. I just reheated the fucking these wings here. It's in this place called Hangry Joe's. You gotta sign a waiver to buy them shits. That's how spicy they are. Dining room. I sit at the head of the table. Michael always sits here. My wife always sits here. And Nicole always sits there. Without fail. Without fail. So, oh wait. Let me do the other one. Can't do it right. I don't do this very often. Yeah, shit, that should be enough. So this is like, man, they be doing this goofy shit. Hold on. Let me do the goofy shit out. Goofy shit. Is that one good enough? Yeah. So this is my backyard. Ooh. Obviously cover the grill up. And, yeah, we got some snow. So he's like, it's my neighborhood. I don't like anybody. I don't want to talk to people. Not even birds. Yeah, all that type of shit. I hardly ever go out here. Suck the dicks. Don't give me shit. My wife was trying to give me shit about that. She was like, what do you want to do? Leave it up all year? I'm like, yeah, why not? Why not? Christmas all year, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Christmas all fucking year. Boom. Oh, we getting ready to go to hell. Don't worry about it. See, she's starting to pack shit up. This was all hanging up and shit. Okay, so the thing you don't know about my wife is that her mother's favorite, or her mother's totem was the elephant. So that's why when I showed you upstairs, I was telling her that's her riding her mom. You know what I mean? And that's something she bought in remembrance of her mom. So, yeah, it's a big ass motherfucking L couch with the giant ass. We gotta do something about them cords, man. I gotta figure something out. Maybe I'll just fucking paint over them or some shit. In honor of the queen. You know what I'm saying? In honor of the fucking queen. All right. So now we go to where I'm normally broadcasting from, which is basically my man cave. So I don't have to worry about bothering other people if I'm doing my thing, whether it's smoking weed or making videos or watching certain kind of movies, because my wife is all into this fucking foreign films and shit. So like if I go upstairs, she's watching some Korean movie, some Japanese movie. Oh man, did I mention I love this? And I also this. It's a conquistador. Yeah, pretty cool. Laundry room. Yeah, I think there's ghosts in here, so I don't like going in here. Yeah, ghosts of dirty clothes. Yeah, full bath. So, now we get to the awesomest part. I just don't take shit out. I'm just the laziest motherfucker you'll ever see when it comes to shit like that. Obviously, right? It's like, what the literal fuck are you doing? I know. But you notice how what I'm doing is I'm pulling all the negative energy down here and the rest of the house is pristine. You see what that is right there? Can you even see it? And does the light get it right? You know what that's called? That's Mr. Bill Spears. That's Mr. Bill Spears. Because see what I was doing was I was rearranging everybody. I had to tilt Wonder Woman. These things fall over more than you think. It's because my son Michael, he runs around like a fucking like stomping. Boom, 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 boom. And this house, whatever you want to say about it, it has thin as fuck walls. So it's like when he does that, it's like everything starts shaking. I mean, not like it's an earthquake or nothing, but you know, it'll sometimes rattle these motherfuckers. So I was repositioning. I wanted to get Darkseid with the different Omega beams. Had to, you know, tilt Wonder Woman's sword up a little bit, get a new pose on Superman. And I kind of did the same thing down here. I got a new pose on the Batman Who Laughs. I kind of brought him over a little bit closer. You can't really manipulate him, and I pulled his arms out a little bit. And same pose. There she is. That's my latest poll, dude. But see, he's a fucking out of scale giant, dude. Well, I don't know. Skeletor's pretty big too. They're not the same scale though. He's much bigger. He would have to go up against my infamous $599 Infinity Ultron. So, yeah, I'm a big comic book guy. I love comic books. So super awesome. Also love Star Wars, by the way. Hello. Where are you at, Darth Vader? Also love the Transformers. They still haven't put him back together yet. Yep. Boom. Sludge. Oh, wait. I sighted a Buddha next to a unicorn, next to a Jesus, next to a nothing but turtles all the way down, next to an egg, next to a Pazuzu. Damn, bro. I guess you do like comic books, motherfucker. Yep. You don't want to unbox this motherfucker so bad. Because of that misprint on the back, I don't think I want to. You know what I'm saying? Find me another motherfucker that has one of these. Find me another motherfucker that has one of these. You know what I'm saying? You can't. Well, you probably could if you tried. Oh shit, let me show you this shit. Real quick before I go. It's gonna be fun. Let me go down. Where do I want to go down? Here. Okay. Technically, this is the first appearance of Apocalypse. And then this is his actual... Because back in the day, what they would do is he'll show up on the last panel of this comic, but then that's when he's introduced. I have both of them. I don't know how much they're worth, but they're worth something. And then my Spider-Man 300. Shit, I'm treating Cap 220. Was it 323? It's 323. Yeah. That was his big battle against the Super Patriot, who eventually became the replacement Captain America, who eventually became the U.S. agent, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, I'm a comic book nerd. Avengers JLA. Oh, look at Superman with the shield, and he's also got Mjolnir. Wouldn't you love to read that comic? Wouldn't you want to know who he's fighting? You know what I'm saying? He's fighting Krona. But that doesn't matter. So yeah, house tour. Hope you enjoyed it.